guys. After a wildfire, it's done. This is the effect of the wildfire. It's windy, but as clear sky. This afternoon is around 9:45 p.m. but it's still there's a sun. Okay, it's not totally dark because of daylight saving this springtime. Okay, as you can see, the tree is nice. See, so it's good weather for now. Okay, it's windy after smoky last week. Okay, so it's good sign for this evening. Okay, no rain, no cloudy, it's good weather until Wednesday. So as you can see, all the trees is waving because it's a nice green leaves in the trees. See, it's windy only. It's possible it's a nice weather for the whole week. Okay, so after the smoke wildfire from BC, in Saskatoon, near in Saskatoon and Manitoba. Okay, so this is good. Okay, see you guys. I'm just updating the weather for now. Okay, after the wildfire in Saskatchewan. Okay, guys. See you again after this video. So if you want interested to know about the weather in Canada, Saskatchewan, just watch my YouTube channel video. Okay, so just click the button and notification bell and subscribe. Okay, in Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay, see you guys.